Hello everyone, I am M and this is Team-SMAL. So, I am here to show you how we're doing with the build randomizer. Last time we just had the randomizer. Now we have all of this, and I will be explaining this in a longer video, which is this one. Hello. And this is like a full breakdown of how build memory is going to work. So first off, we got 45, actually 43 builds right here, since we still need to build 2 of them. And this randomizer is going to keep running until it stops, which makes sense. That's random for every single one. So each one will have a 1 in 9 chance to stop every single time it powers. So on starting the game, a redstone block will be placed here, sends a signal output to these 4 that will start dispensing their items. If one of these custom sand daggers, which we made using a resource pack that you should be able to use them to right click and dash. If it pulls the sand dagger, it will send an impulse strength 3, which will reactivate this itself, not the others. It will do this for all of this, but upon it dispensing the lime concrete, it will stop reactivating itself. This gets looped until none of these are dispensing anymore because they've all filled lime concrete. So, every single time they get powered, which they do in unison so it doesn't mess up, it will add 1 point to the randomizer. This, in a later video, we will explain all the commands, but here's the simple thing. There's a scoreboard that's called the randomized number. It's called different, but that's how I'm going to call it. And it will be added 1 to player 1 of build memory. This does it until it doesn't get powered anymore or it hits 45, after which it will get reset to 1. Let's say it keeps running and pulls 5. It will copy building 5, which is this soup bowl. It will then copy this over up here into the watching area. It'll be right here. You'll have to take a good look at it and remember it. After which all the players, don't worry about the numbers, are teleported back to their respective spots and need to rebuild this to the best of their abilities. They are given the same amount and same type of blocks as used in the original build to not make it too difficult. Right here I have 3 red concrete blocks with each a sign. This is to check if something is active or if it isn't. The signs I am still putting up, which is why there aren't any right there, but that's for seeing what it is. So, we got randomizing active. Upon these getting activated, they will start sending inconsistent, though similar, redstone outputs. Let's say they hit here. Having 2 max delayed repeaters will turn these not constant redstone signals into a constant redstone signal, going into setting this block to lime concrete, which will make it active. Let's say I take some lime concrete and some sandstone. If I replace this with sandstone or break it, it gets turned back into red concrete, but let's say I do this with lime concrete, it will stay lime. So that's how that works. Meanwhile, with the same technical as here, turning inconsistent redstone signals into a consistent one, we got this running against a redstone comparator that consistently powers this. This stops the randomizing being active right here. This will set this to active. That will set this to inactive, same for that one, but this can only happen if this one is already lying. Then it will continue. This block will get set to a normal, oh, that's an accident. This is a testing message. I will have to go down and fix an error now, but that's fine. I did not mean to do that. This block comes repeatedly gets set to air, but when this gets set active, which is the stopping randomizing, we'll set this to green. That means this block gets placed. These both get set to air, and by this upper one, and this will power this system. Right now, this does not look like much. Well, it does, but later this will be filled with copy commands for each of these builds, as well as giving all the items to each and every player. This will only activate if their number is the respective number from the scoreboard taken from the randomizer. After which it will get sent through this delay, and something here will happen, it's not finished yet, and will teleport all the players into the watching area. Here they get this amount of time times 15 to look at this thing, as you just saw when I made the mistake of placing a block right there. This started running. If you did not notice this, you can go back and watch it. There was an orange terracotta, there was orange concrete placed right here and broke it. This will start adding the build memory looking timer scoreboard. Will add 1 each round. Upon hitting 15, set a block right here. Set this to air, teleport all the players to their respective place, run this sets that one to air, and this one will be placed. This is the new timer. If this loops 30 times, then the building of the players gets stopped. Here, this will get set if this happens. This will teleport all the players back to the watching area and see whose build was the closest. And that was the longer update video for how build memory is going to work. There will be an even longer version out soon with the explanation of every single command, as well as it probably getting close to being finished. And that's out.